Okay, so without further ado, let's move. Question 1, very simple. So here we have a magnet with a plastic block. So obviously this question, what is the correct answer, Viola? Will it move or will not move?
It will not move.
Very good. Reason being plastic. Okay, Chloe, is it a magnetic material?
No.
So it's non-magnetic. So by now we should learn, or we should already know that magnets can only attract magnetic materials. All right, so I want us to recall what are the magnetic materials that we need to know. Luca, can you tell me what are the magnetic materials that we need to know?
Cobalt,
What else?
nickel, iron,
Mm-hmm.
steel.
Very good. Okay. So please remember it is cobalt, not copper. A lot of students make a mistake. They think that it's copper, but it actually should be cobalt. So as long as it is not a magnetic material, it will not have any interaction with the magnet. So you will not see it move. Okay, next question, very easy. Which of the following is a source of light? Li Wen, what should the correct answer be?
The sun.
Very good. Anita, can you tell me, I know you're having a bit of a sore throat. You okay to talk or don't want to talk? Okay. The moon, how come I can see it giving out light at night?
Because the sun reflects light on the moon, and then you are
Okay, wait. What reflects light on what?
the sun reflects light on the moon.
Are you sure it is the sun reflecting light? Li Ling, you raised your hand just now. Do you agree with her or you disagree? Is it the sun reflects light? Li Ling, can you try? How come we can see the sun? I mean, how come we can see the moon glowing at night? Hello, Li Ling, you raised your hand just now. Okay, Raphael, you try?
The sun's light shines on the moon, and the moon reflects the light.
Very good. So it should be the moon reflects light from the sun. Okay, Anita, so it's not the sun reflecting light from the moon. We are focusing on the moon here. So what happens is the sun shines its light on the moon, okay? And the light is reflected off the moon into our eyes. It so happens that the moon reflects light very well, okay? That's why we are able to see the moon very clearly, as though it gives off its own light, but it does not give off its own light. All right, so please remember this. Okay, moving on. Daisy bought some water in the pot. She's able to hold the pot using the plastic handles because why? Hayden, why is she able to hold a pot using the plastic handles? What is the reason? Plastic handles are what?
Strong conductors of heat.
Okay, so what he's saying is, how come Hayden I can't see your face? Is your video on?
Yes, it is on, and
Yes, I can see your face now. So very funny. I don't know why my screen, right? It can only show like 6 people at one time. So it's like the last few people that spoke, then I can see your face. If not, I cannot see your face. So, okay, correct. Now, I want everybody to look carefully. I'm not done with this question. So imagine this is Daisy's hands. She's holding the plastic handle. All right, so I want you guys to explain Where is my chat group function? This is giving me a headache. Hayden, can you? Okay, wait. Here. Great. Okay, so everybody, can y'all try and okay, wait. So I want y'all to explain. Okay, I'm gonna write the question here. Okay, question is here. All right. Explain why Daisy's hands, the hands that I drew into the picture, will not get burnt when she touches the plastic handles of the boiling pot of water. All right. Now I give you all a clue. I need to see two parts of the answer. One part of the answer should have this concept, and the other part of the answer should talk about the heat flow, whether the heat flows fast or slow, from where to where. So I repeat, two parts of the answer. One part must talk about poor conductor of heat. The other part must talk about heat flowing from somewhere to somewhere slowly or quickly. Okay? I want you all to type your answers in the chat group.
How to type answer in chat group and like how to get chat group?
So I'm not sure about you guys, but for me, at the bottom of the screen, there is this speech that comes out. This small box that looks like a speech bubble with lines. Can y'all find it?
No, I can't.
Who can find it? Some of you can find it.
The bottom right.
Yes, thank you. The bottom right corner. So you'll see a logo that says I in a circle. Then you see a logo with some human picture, human beings, and then it's the next one.
I click on someone who said out the answer and then I am now inside here.
Yeah, great. So you can type now. Can, Kaden?
Yeah.
Okay, Kyla, the second part of your answer is incorrect. So I will let you all know how many marks you all will get. If this is a 1 mark answer, Kyla, you only get half a mark. Okay, let's see if anybody can get the full 1 mark. Yes, Raphael?
But the thing is, we have to like, if we message you, then we have to message everybody.
It's okay, doesn't matter. Okay, so I will not tell y'all how much, I will not tell y'all how much marks y'all get, okay? So, it'll be fair for everyone. You don't know whether the person is answering the correct answer or not. Okay, I have Anita's answer. I have Chloe's answer. I think I should have 12 people's answer. I repeat, your answer needs to have 2 portions. You need to mention about something being a poor conductor of heat, and you need to talk about the heat flow. From where to where, fast or slow? Here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 answers. Waiting for 7 more answers. Janelle answer not in yet, right? Who else answers are not in? Please type it in. Viola answer not in. Luca answer not in. A lot of you are still not giving me the full answers. Yes, I do see a bit of improvement, but some of you are still not giving me the full answers. So please take note later when I'm going through the corrections, yeah? Let me see who else is missing. Luca, I think your answer is still not in. Can I have a look at your answer? Same as Viola. Okay, Viola, I saw your answer already. Give me a
For
minute.
mine, right, I put 2 parts because I forget to add in
Thank
another
you.
part.
Yes, okay, I saw that. Good. Okay, I see Viola's answer. Luca, are we ready? Can I have your answer in? Raphael, you type another answer. Hey, what's going on? Wait, so annoying. Raphael almost there, but not there yet. Never mind. Don't need to try already. Okay, I'm going to go through the answers. I don't have time to wait for everybody. I don't know what. Okay. Okay, so let me read out the answers. Let me read out who got full marks, yeah? From what I see, Kaden full marks. Very good. Brian full marks. Very good. Janelle full marks. Very good. All right, the rest of you, I'm going to write the answer down. I want you to compare your answer to my answer in green. Okay? If you all have any questions, then you all let me know later. So the first part I want to see is plastic is a poor conductor of heat. If you have that, you get half mark out of the full marks. Half mark out of 1 mark. Then you need to go on and tell me about the heat flow. Now, where is the region of higher temperature? It is the hot water. Where is the region of low temperature? Is it the handle or is it the hands? Think carefully. Do you think it's her handle or the hands? Li Wen?
The hands.
Exactly. We are focusing on Daisy's hands here. Okay, Li Ling as well. So the region of lower temperature is the hands. So your answer must reflect that. So the hot water or so her hands gain heat from the hot water slower or slowly. Okay, so the part in light green, if your answer looks like heat from the hot water travels or flows to Daisy's hands slower, also okay. All right, now I'll start correcting people's answers. Yeah, Kyla, if you look at your answer, heat will flow from the handles to Daisy's hands slower. Kyla, what is wrong with your answer? I know you can't really talk. Can you talk or you cannot talk? Can type in the chat group. Cannot talk, is it? So, okay, Kyla, whatever it is, the heat is not flowing from the handles. It is flowing from the hot water. Okay, Kyla? Okay, Anita, you only talked about plastic being a good, poor conductor of heat. I don't see the other part in light green, so you only get half a mark. Chloe,